We are checking in here about 5 a.m. fixing to leave out. What's nice is when you left your boat on the lift for the last 2 weeks and there's a white snapper just marinating in the fish box. That's good in the morning. Cruise at 40, but we're good. We've got about an hour and a half run. We are headed west, searching for tuna.
So Jerome just threw a popper and got hooked up, and you can see them. They're swimming by. We have a huge school of jack underneath us. Joey's got one on, and he's fighting for his life with a jack crevalle. All right, it's a world record bonita.
Nah, I think I saw his little yellow fin. He got some fight though, for sure. Yeah, that's a big old jack. First fish on my new rod and reel though.
Hey, it's got some girth to it. You want to use it as bait?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You want to grab gas from up there, please? It's still in the rod locker, the right rod locker. That's a big boy. Look at that guy. That's probably a solid 25, 30 pounder. That'll make some good chunk bait there. Let's see if we can get us another one. It looks like a bonita or maybe some small blackfin, something hitting the top here. Let's see if we can get it. We are drifting by this rig and something just inhaled my popper here. Thought I had my camera on, but I did not. Hopefully not another jack, but if it is, that's fine. We were not able to find any live bait this morning, so we need any kind of bait for chunking once we do find the fish. Kind of feels like another jack. He's right here. He got some deep color. Let's see what this is here. Come on, baby. Put the new rod and reel to test here. I saw color, but I couldn't make out what it was. Looks like a jack of some kind. Yep. Another big jack. Another big nasty. There we go. Yes, sir. We officially got plenty of cut bait. That's two big boys right there. Nice. We are kind of drifting near this rig, about 350 feet of water. Everybody's throwing, we got a combination of swim baits, top water, all kind of stuff, just trying really to get some bonita in the boat and whatever else for bait, because we could not find any live bait this morning. But John is slow pitching, and we've been marking some pretty decent fish, so hopefully we got our first tuna, a little blackfin or something, but probably a jack of some sort or a bonita. But we'll check back in. He's got a spaghetti noodle he's trying to reel it in on, so. You got any words for the camera, John?
Oh, it's not that cold.
No, after reeling those couple of jack crevalles, I have stripped out of 2 layers already, so.
I did too.
Yeah. Nice blackfin. Beautiful. Beautiful on the slow pitch. That's a good one too. That's a healthy blackfin. Very nice. Way to go, John. What were you doing, Joey?
But we were both
jigging. We are doubled up in the front of the boat with the jigs here. Hopefully another couple nice tuna. Joey hooked up on the spinning rod. John hooked up on the spaghetti rod. Oh no. Fish on, fish off. Still got your jig though? John has got the hot jig for the day here. Another nice blackfin. Pretty, pretty. Another good one in the boat. Well done. Give him some line there. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice one. We are set up to do some chunking. We have moved. We caught 3 or 4 big old blackfin. Oh, John just hooked up, jigging. Joey's up there jigging, and we got me and Nick back here chunking. We out here, you know, if you see MSC charters and Captain Kirk charters, you know you're in the right place. Beautiful catamarans over there. So let's see if I can do this without dropping the camera in the water. Beeliner, very nice. Very nice. Joey broke out the electric out here while we're chunking and jigging. Let's see what we got here. Almaco. Nice little Almaco. Very cool. Joey with the big old amberjack up there. Yeah. Not in season.
Y'all? Getting my butt whipped.
It's a good one though, Joey. These guys have caught a couple really nice beeliners, Almaco jack, and a amberjack too. But John is tight with something, and we're trying to run it down here. He's got it on his spaghetti noodle rod. Oh man, big old AJ. That's still a heck of a AJ there. That is pretty. Yeah, we can get him through his lip just to get the jig out. We are doubled up. Joey hooked up with something nice on the electric up front. Nick's still battling back here. We're hoping it's not an AJ.
Get the lure back.
No, we don't need him. Big old jack crevalle up here. Big old shark. That's the first one of those for the day. Black tip shark. What is Joey coming up with over there? Jack crevalle? Daggone. Huge jack crevalle. Wow. We've had our share of those today. We don't need any more of those. And Joey's up there getting his jig out of a jack's mouth, and we have a suspicion we got another jack coming up. Oh, careful. Careful. It'd be nice to be a nice 20-pound blackfin again. It's another jack. Alright. We're gonna move on. We're gonna head to another spot, and if we can't find the tunas there, that might be it. They might have skunked us for today. Well, we got a couple nice blackfin, but we have not located the yellows yet. But that pin's pretty smooth, huh? It's pretty nice. Not as smooth as that Stella, but it gets the job done. Let's see, no color yet. Big old yellowfin tuna. Oh, he broke it. Big old jack. All right, let's get out of here.